Hello kids, today we are going to learn alphabet from A to Z. Let's start. A. A is for abacus. A is for apple. A is for ant. B. B is for ball. B is for balloon. B is for banana. C. C is for cake. C is for cap. C is for car. D. D is for deer. D is for doll. D is for dog. E. E is for earth. E is for eagle. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. F is for face. F is for fan. G. G is for gate. G is for goat. G is for gift. H. H is for hen. H is for horse. H is for hat. I. I is for India. I is for ink. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jacket. J is for juice. J is for jeans. K. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. L. L is for leaf. L is for lotus. L is for lion. M. M is for man. M is for moon. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for notebook. O. O is for owl. O is for ox. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. P is for peacock. P is for papaya. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for question mark. Q is for quiet. R. R is for rose. R is for rabbit. R is for red. S. S is for sun. S is for spider. S is for sheep. T. T is for tiger. T is for twice. T is for tea. U. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. U is for utensils. V. V is for van. V is for violin. V is for vase. W. W is for watermelon. W is for watch. W is for van. X. X is for X-ray machine. X is for Xmas tree. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zero.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.